Which of the following is the correct way to define a closure that takes an integer and returns a string? Option A, int, string. Option B, int, string. Option C, func, int, string. Option D, int, string. What is the primary purpose of using defer in Swift? Option A, to immediately execute a block of code. Option B, to delay the execution of a block of code until the end of the current scope. Option C, to execute a block of code only if an error occurs. Option D, to define a function that can be called later. Which keyword is used to define a read-only computed property in Swift? Option A, set. Option B, get. Option C, let. Option D, var. What is the difference between class and static keywords when defining type properties / methods in a class? Option A, class allows subclasses to override the implementation, while static does not. Option B, static allows subclasses to override the implementation, while class does not. Option C, they are completely interchangeable. Option D, class is used for properties, and static is used for methods. Which of the following is the correct way to unwrap an optional safely using guard let? Option A, if let value equals optional value / code using value. Option B, guard value equals optional value else return. Option C, guard let value equals optional value else return. Option D, optional value. Default value. What is the purpose of the inout keyword in Swift function parameters? Option A, to create a copy of the parameter within the function. Option B, to allow the function to modify the original parameter's value. Option C, to prevent the function from modifying the parameter's value. Option D, to specify that the parameter must be an optional. Which of these is not a valid Swift collection type? Option A, array. Option B, dictionary. Option C, set. Option D, tuple. Which of the following methods is used to asynchronously perform a task on a background thread in Swift concurrency? Option A, dispatch_queue.main.async. Option B, task.detached. Option C, thread.sleep, per time interval. Option D, dispatch_queue.global.sync. What is the difference between any and any object in Swift? Option A, any can represent an instance of any type, including function types and optional types. Any object can represent an instance of any class type. Option B, any object can represent an instance of any type, including function types and optional types. Any can represent an instance of any class type. Option C, they are interchangeable. Option D. Given the struct point var x, int, var y, int, how can you create a constant instance of point where x can still be modified? Option A, let point equals point, x, 10, y, 20. Option B, var point equals point, x, 10, y, 20. Option C, let point equals point, x, 10, y, 20, point.x